Hello, my name is Maquensi Araujo Martinez. I am from Taminango, Nariño. I am 22 years old. I am a student environment engineer in UNAS University. In this photograph, we realize and represent a spatial carnival, such as a commemoration of the arrival of the Castañeda family, a family group of foreigners of the 20th world travel, and is utensils to prepare food and words, and maybe chants on they say cross the reef this party become the center of attention. The core characters are represented by the extravagant grandmother, the daughter reads the more obvious fragrance, and their children. The park continues in January 5 with Black Day, with a sauce was to participants are left smeared with black fine. You are invited to visit this fantastic tradition park in the city of Paso. Bye.